In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a curly brace in Microsoft Visio, a skill you'll find incredibly useful for your diagrams and visual representations. Let's dive right in and explore how to effortlessly incorporate this element into your Visio projects. First, you'll want to open your browser and simply search for Microsoft Visio. If you don't have it bookmarked, a quick search will take you straight to the login page. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that. And if you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself already signed in, which is convenient. If not, just enter your email address and password, along with any other required credentials, to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. Here, you'll want to look for the Apps section. By clicking on it, you'll see a variety of Microsoft applications. Find Visio in the lineup and click on it to get started on your project. Now that you're in Visio, you can kick things off by selecting either a blank drawing or choosing from various templates that might fit your project needs. Starting with a template can save you time, but a blank canvas offers the most flexibility if you're looking to create something entirely custom. Moving on to the next step, head to the More Shapes menu found at the bottom left of the Shapes pane. This part of the interface is essential because it houses a variety of additional shapes you can use. Click to expand it. Once it's expanded, you're looking for Visio Extras. Click on that, and you'll receive a list of stencils. From there, choose Callouts. In the category of callouts, you will see various options, including the side brace tool or other similar curly brace shapes. Click and drag the shape that best meets your needs onto your canvas to add it to your drawing. Once your curly brace is on the canvas, you'll likely want to adjust it to fit your diagram perfectly. Click on the brace to select it, and you'll see handles appear. Use these handles to resize or reposition the curly brace according to your project's specifications. Finally, a diagram is often complete with the accompaniment of text. If you'd like to add words to go along with your curly brace, click on the shape and directly type your text. Alternatively, you can utilize the text tool to add a text box adjacent to the brace, providing clarity or explanation for the diagram elements encompassed by the brace. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully added a curly brace to your Microsoft Visio project, allowing for clearer, visually appealing presentations and charts.